Now, this word is a fun word. It's a government body name. However, I'll explain why it's a fun word. Let's go to it. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have Dakhili İşler Nazirliği, or DIN, you can see. Dakhili İşler Nazirliği. A long one. Dakhili İşler Nazirliği, simply, it's a Ministry of Internal Affairs, or Interior Ministry, or Ministry of Home Affairs. It depends, however, which country uses it. For us, Ministry of Internal Affairs. Okay? Let's take a look at some phrases. Before we move on to the sentences, I'll explain the fun use. Now, Ministry of Internal Affairs report. Dakhili İşler Nazirliği hesabatı. Report, hesabat. Dakhili İşler Nazirliği stays the same. If you want me to break it down, Dakhili, internal, inside, İşler, works, affair, nazirlik, ministry, nazirliği of the internal affairs. Now, Interior Ministry employee or employee of Ministry of Internal Affairs, Dakhili İşler Nazirliği işçisi. Next, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Internal Affairs, Interior Ministry, building. Building is bina. Binası of the building. Building of something, that's why. Dakhili İşler Nazirliği binası. Okay? This is our first sentence. However, the reason is why Dakhili İşler Nazirliği sometimes is funny is because of the abbreviation it has, is D-I-N. So people whose native language is Turkish, Arabic, and maybe a little bit more, for them, and including us, din, the word, means religion. So every time they see then the uniforms of those people who are working for Ministry of Internal Affairs, they think that they are doing some kind of religious work, which has nothing to do with it. So that's why I've heard from many of them that din religious, they do like religious police or something. I said, no, it has nothing to do with that. It's just Ministry of Foreign Affairs abbreviation, right? Now, the sentence. Səhər briefingində Daxili İşlər Nazirliyi nümayəndəsi şəhər daxili təhlükəsizlik tədbirlərinin gücləndirilməsi barədə ətraflı məlumat verdi.